Hello guys, welcome to my unboxing video. And today we have gaming mousepad from Logitech version G440 hard gaming mousepad, okay? And let's go from the back look. There's instructions. Surface selected for optimal Logitech G gaming mouse sensor performance. Consistent surface texture for improving gaming performance. Low friction surface for high DP mouse control. Rubber baked high impact polymer core remains in place during high intensity gaming. Okay, that's amazing guys, that's amazing. Let's go look on that, okay? Okay guys. Okay, I go down my folie. Okay, where is opening this mouse? There. Okay, let's go. Let's go open. Guys, this mouse pad. Okay. It's alright. Yeah, okay, that's opening there. Okay, I open this guys. There's from reserve some. Yeah, okay, it's alright. Reserve some. Nice, alright, okay. There is some instructions. Drawback. Okay, let's go look mousepad. Wow, so nice guys. Surface is soft and comfortable. Okay guys, I'm try use it on my mouse Logitech G5002 I was buy for this mousepad. Okay, I go try it guys. This is guys my old mousepad. It's my old mousepad guys. I get draw from the back guys, and I get put there this new mousepad guys, okay? How is the mouse? Wow, there is speed mowing. Riding with my mouse. I must on my launch pad sometime ride my mouse. I'm just create some my rect with this surface, with this new mousepad. Okay, I must. Is very speed guys. I'm have with this. I think I have with this speed reactions guys. That's amazing. Okay. And that will be all guys. And hello guys.